Today I'm changing a new toilet seat as requested by the customer. As you can see that there are so many junks that was on the old toilet seat when we removed. So we started a cleaning process that took us almost about 20 minutes. Once I'm satisfied that all the cleaning is done, I started installing the new toilet seat, which is from Johnson & Susie. The brackets are installed, aligned, and it works just nice. A soft close toilet seat from Johnson & Susie. Another day, another job, another satisfied customer.